Okay, so we're back, so let's do this. Let's stop that there. Then let's go to our app shell. So app shell, what we're going to do, we'll add another page. So we'll go to new item. Let's move that out of the way. Okay, welcome to .NET MAUI content page, XAML content page. Okay, then we're going to do this. Sign up page, so we'll add that. Okay, so this is our sign up page. So we're going to come here again and simply just do this. Then we'll save. Then we'll run that. Just one moment. Okay, so we're back again. So that's about to load. So let's go to our sign up page. Okay, so our sign up page has loaded here. Yeah, let's get to the usual. So navbar is visible, false as usual. Then our background. Our background color is this as usual, so I'll copy that. And I'll delete that. Then just one moment. So we go to our login page. So let's come here. Our login page looks similar to our sign up page. So I'm just going to copy the content from here to save time and paste it here. Then we'll pick up maybe one or two of this to finish off the design over here. So on our login page, so just copy all of this, everything in the grid, then cut copy, then go to our sign up page. Then sign up page, we're going to paste everything we see there. Then let's move this to okay, let's just leave that there. Save, hot reload, save, and let's see the changes take effect. Okay, so there we are. So I've got our lines here again. So what we're going to do here now is go to our login page, code behind. So code behind, we're going to get this, then we're going to cut, copy, then sign up here, then come to our code behind here on this page. Then this is what we're going to do, 1 2 3, then here. Okay, so this has already loaded automatically there. I like to do this, so I move that there. Then yeah, everything is all good. Edit code, okay, so let's restart that. Just one moment. Okay, so let's continue. So we're here, so let's see now. So we just need name, email, password, address. Okay, so here we have email and password. So we're going to do this. So let's close that. Come to our sign up page. Okay, so our sign up page there. So email, we'll get this, copy, and we'll paste that on top. Then come to password, copy, and paste that on top also. Then we'll do this, we'll save. Okay, so That's about everything that we need. Let's just do this. Okay, so there's let me copy this first. Okay, existing user sign in. So this button won't say sign in, it's going to say sign up. Then we're going to do this vertical options. So vertical options, let's bring it right to the end of this vertical stack layout. Okay, I guess not. Okay, since that didn't propagate, let's do this. Let's put a margin. So 0 left, top, right, bottom. So as we want the top, so top, let's do this. Okay, so let's hot reload. Okay, so a little bit extreme. Okay, so let's do this again. Hot reload again. Okay, so that should be 1-to-1 approximation. So let's just change a few things here. So this email here, we'll put name. Name, email, password, name, email, password. Okay, and this bottom one just above here, there, that one will be a DDRE address. Okay, just one more thing, I think. Yeah, just one more thing. Let's do this. On this name margin here, name label here, so the top margin, let's make that 10. Save. Okay, there we are. Yeah, that's a 1-to-1 approximation there. So that's the end of this video. We're moving on to the next video. We'll look at this next. This should be the last video, I guess. Then you guys, I'm going to give you guys a challenge. You do this one on your own. Here, the cut after the thing, product page here. And all right, so this is the end of this video. Review Sample Z on YouTube. Peace.